Hello all my friends, this is Craftin' Bev, and I am going to start this series of videos of me trying to organize my craft room. So to kind of give you an idea, this here is one moment, waiting for the push the button I didn't want to push. There we go. This here was supposed to be my project closet, but it's gotten really, really, really disorganized. It's a pretty big closet, so I'd like to eventually turn this, get it better organized. There's my thing that I was keeping wrapping paper in, and someone who shall remain nameless, who no longer works for me, just started stuffing stuff in there. So this is my main room. Now, right now, let me tell you, this room, and I measured it, me and my caregiver, we measured it. This room is only 11 by 11. Yeah, and it has to have my bed in here and my table, and then here's all my stuff. Yeah. I mean, to give you a little background about what's going on or what happened, I moved in here almost a month ago. In fact, March 2nd, I will have been here a whole year. Sorry for the noise in the background. That's my dishwasher. But anyway, I got a caregiver, and I told her, I had boxes, all my craft boxes, and I said, all I want to do is put them to the side and gradually unpack them as I get containers for them. Before I knew it, she was unpacking everything and collapsing the boxes. She was trying to tell me how I needed to live and what needed to be done. So, needless to say, nothing has been able to be put away. It got so overwhelming. Also, just a little thing. After her being here for about 3 months, I fired her. I could not handle any more of her crap. So, now, I have those 2 shelves that I bought at Walmart, and behind the door will be that shelf. And all those ceramics you see are going to be put back in boxes and numbered, and they'll come out only when I'm ready to paint them. I don't want them broken. And certain little felines, like this one here, who is Penelope, and that one over there, that is little Miss Baby Girl. They have a bad habit of getting on that shelf over there with all my ceramics, and they haven't broken anything yet, but I'm not taking any more chances. But what I want to do is, craft supplies are going to go in containers. I don't want things out like this because it doesn't work. So, but I can only get a couple of containers a month because I live on less than $600 a month. And I still have to pay my rent. I still have to pay my light, my bills. So, yeah. I'm not going to go through what's in all the different boxes or containers because to me that's not worth it right now. So, just to give you an idea, over here, those boxes there, which I had to repack, is all my yarn, except for what's in the closet for other projects. So, that's the only window in this whole apartment. As I said, this room is only 11 by 11. So, and there's a door right there. There's a door right there. There's these paints. Yes, I have almost 400 bottles of paint, or a little over 400 bottles of paint. There's some other stuff there. So, hopefully the next video that I show you is going to be with some of it organized. Not a whole lot. There won't be a lot of changes. But let me get over here so you can see what's kind of going on. Have to be kind of careful. Don't want to fall. Okay, so there's this shelf. See all that stuff there? So I want to kind of move it around, change it around. I do love those shoebox containers, but things need to be done differently. And then here's all this. And then under my table. And then yes, this is supposed to be my craft table, but because everything's so disorganized, it kind of just like ends up here. So, as I said, I want to get this organized. I have a caregiver now who says, no, things got to be done the way you want. She does exactly the way I want things done. She doesn't give me a hassle when I'm particular about things. So, hopefully the next video for craft room organization, there'll be a change that you can see. So, until then, see you all.